Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're walking around a 1975 Corvette. This one here has a 350 under the hood. It's got power steering. We'll be checking the AC out, see if it works. Pretty decent car, looks great on the outside. It's got a few chips and scratches. We're going to be going over that. That's why I do this video. We'll be checking out the interior, giving you some undercarriage shots. And I was in the middle of a test drive. That's why we're here in the parking lot. So be sure to check out the test drive video. You'll know everything about this car. I have financing, shipping available, and I have 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. And of course, if you like the music, me and my band make that, jump on over to Southgate Production. We're trying to get to 1,000 so we can go live. Okay, let's get started here. Let's start up here in the front. We'll also be checking those headlights. You do have a few chips in the front end, a couple little scratches. See the nose has got a couple chips on it as well. Same with this side. Coming up over the fender, you see all little scratches and blemishes there. There's a chip down in the corner here. Picked up some dirt on the test drive. Real light blemish right there. It should buff out. Got a scratch on the back here. Little spot right there in the paint. On top of the fender as well. A little bit of pitting on the door handle. Chips up top here around the T-top. Mirror's in good shape. Trim looks good. You got some wax left over in these crevices. Front windshield, got some light scratches from the windshield wipers. Some more wax down in there. See some gas got on the back here. It wipes right off. Probably just needs some wax. See how dry it is right there? Some dirt stuck on the back. Coming down this side. Got a chip down here in the bottom. Coming up over the fender, there's a chip there. And on top. Some blemishes on the trim. Cracking in the paint there. Light blemish there as well. Back down the mid section here. Real light scratch. Looks like some leftover wax or something on the paint there. See all the little white spots? Little crack there by the mirror. Mirror's in good shape. Trying to catch everything, guys. Didn't actually notice that many spots till I got really close on this car. Just kind of checking everything over. Chip right there in the T-top. Okay. Made it all the way around. This one, let's go ahead and open her up, get her started up, check some of the stuff on the inside. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? The buzzer sure does. Got my gear over here. Door panel's got some issues, chipping. Weather stripping's missing on the top there. Most part it's soft. It's not gonna be any rust on the fiberglass, that's for sure. Got some scratches on your trim here. Carpet's in good shape. Driver's seat's got a little bit of wear on the edge. Back here you got some old school speakers. Let's jump in here. So looking across the dash, gas gauge does work. Oil pressure is up, engine temperature's up. The battery gauge right there, usually you can get it to pop up, but it's not moving, so. Tach is coming up, wipers working. How about that horn, y'all ready? No horn on this one. Telescoping steering wheel with the tilt. Let's try that blower motor. She's making some noise. That there's gonna be frozen up. I do not believe that the air is working. I don't hear it pulling on the motor at all. So the compressor's not kicking on. The radio does not work. I'll show you the mileage. Get this out of the way. But it's hard for me to stand by mileage when it's from 1975, you know. All right. Try the windows. A little bit slow. That switch is out. There's no, this switch feels stiff. This one's just real loose. I have to get that switch repaired, or the window motor. I'm not sure which one's bad here, but it's definitely not working. Did notice the T-tops leak on these older ones. Pretty much 90% of them that we get in, if it's got T-tops, it's gonna be wet. The floor is pretty dry right now. When I first got in here, it was wet. And of course I had the doors open for a little while. Been working on this car for about, 30 minutes to an hour or so. I guess it dried up fairly quick. But yeah, both floorboards had a little bit of moisture in them, so that is something to keep in mind. Another thing, I hear exhaust leak coming from underneath the car here. Other than that, the motor sounds nice and smooth. And running and driving wise, it was pretty good. I want you to check out that test drive video though. I do go over some things on that. Let's check these headlights out. Let's see if they come up. First, I'm gonna go ahead and let you look under the hood though, so I can get this out of the way. That way we can actually see them come up. Okay, let's put the hood down here. The hood looks pretty good. Seems to line up nice. Let's try them headlights. See how much easier it is to see them from out here. I just pulled the switch out. See how long they take if they do come up. We'll turn the turn signal on as well. Doesn't look like the headlights are pulling any vacuum to come up. They're on. There is an old trick to get up under there to make them both pop up. That guy taught me. I wish that guy was still here. Turn signals are popping on. You can see both of the lights are on. Have to have the headlights worked on. Tail lights are on, turn signals on. This is the one that wasn't popping up in the test drive on the dash here in the corner. The other side does pop on. And it's working. All right, I'm gonna grab my light. We'll throw it up under the car, try to see if we can look at the undercarriage. Turn signals on up here as well. Look below in the description, you can see all of the gear that I use to make this video, and you can make videos yourself. If you're trying to sell a car, it works out pretty good this way. Let's see. Okay. We'll slide this light up under there. And that thing's low to the ground, but we should be able to see a little bit under here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I'll do my best to point out any kind of flaws on these cars so you know what you're getting. Be sure to check the test drive. Also, the 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. We always have those available, and all of our stock with pricing. We update that every Monday with new vehicles. If you need financing or shipping, we also have that available, all at maplemotors.com. Okay, we're gonna get back to the test drive. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that share, like, subscribe. That helps us out quite a bit. I'll see you in the next video. Later guys, thanks.